Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix failed to connect to voice server in Phasmophobia in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply correct the microphone in game. Now, Phasmophobia uses a specific mic settings, and if that setting is wrong, the device is selected that is wrong, the voice server connection is going to fail. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open Phasmophobia, then go to options. In options, you are going to see video and audio. So I want you to select the option of audio. Now under audio, you are going to see a bunch of different options. So under microphone, you need to make sure that you select the correct mic. Then click on the option of test voice recognition and make sure that it detects your voice. In Windows, blocks mic access. The game can't basically connect to the voice servers. So in order to fix it, you just have to press Windows plus I on your keyboard. This is going to open the settings of your device. In your settings, you just have to basically go to privacy and security. Over here, among the given options, go to the option of microphone. Over here, enable access to the desktop application and then restart the game. So if your system default mic is different, the game may fail to connect properly. For that, you just have to basically right click on the sound icon and then come inside your sound settings. In the sound settings under input, select your main microphone. When go to the more sound settings, recording tab, right click on your mic and set it as the default device. After doing this, you just have to simply restart Phasmophobia and see if it is working properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.